Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Products that must be eaten after training in the gym. Many are wondering how to eat properly if you are actively engaged in the gym. We have prepared for you a list of products that must be eaten, especially after a grueling workout. So, our list includes berries, salmon, blueberry, kiwi, eggs, Greek yogurt. And the main thing is not to mix up anything. All of the above should be eaten after training, and not to it, because these products are quite calories, and the calories are best absorbed when the muscles were occupied with manual labor. If these foods are eaten before classes in the gym, they will stock up as fat, which you are hard at fighting during training. You will not get better, but the expected effect will not be. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.